Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today, for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to make full screen TikTok video on CapCut. Now to do that, first thing is open the CapCut application on your phone device. Tap open the application. Now, what's the meaning of making a full screen video on CapCut? What that basically means is, for example, sometimes we have a video. I'm going to tap on new project and I'll show you a video over here. Then I'm going to select this one, tap on add. So this is the video that I have selected to make the changes. So we have a video and it's actually not on the full screen of TikTok. Like if you zoom in and zoom out, you can see some spaces can be left over here. Now if you export this video and when you try to upload it on TikTok, it's not on full screen for the TikTok video. So first of all, what you can do is, if you're using your mobile phone, you can see that you have this layout CapCut, which is like mobile phone. So if you actually just zoom in and zoom out and make a video little bit, move it around here and there, you will be able to fit it on the background. And it's actually a mobile video for the TikTok or the YouTube short this video is for. This is how you can make your video full screen. But this is somehow cannot be accurate for the TikTok videos, so I'll show you the another process. Another thing that you can do is before exporting, so what you can do here is you just keep swiping right over here. For this process, you do not have to select the video. You just don't select anything on the video section and then you swipe right. There you will have the ratio option. You tap that. Now in the ratio option, you will see all the social media logos over here. And there's the TikTok logo with the 9:16 ratio. You tap that. Then tap on tick mark, which will adjust the video according to the TikTok 9:16 ratio. Because that's the actually a video for TikTok 9:16 ratio video fit. So once you export this video and upload it on the TikTok, you will have a full screen TikTok video through CapCut. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.